is a song got in.
Love is a drug and I'm addicted. Pull up, show up and handle business. Love is a drug and I'm addicted. Pull up, show up and...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is going to be a very exciting video. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to blend my natural hair with this clipping. This clipping is from Betterlenth hair company. I'm also going to show you guys 3 different ways to style this type of clipping. So you guys know my hair is not as long as this clipping, and you know we have 4C hair, so this is kind of their blowout texture, so I decided to stretch the front of my hair and also right here. You know, it's been almost 3 years now I stretched my hair, so it was really exciting for me. I was like, I want to see how it's gonna be like when I stretch this portion of my hair, and I'm also gonna show you guys how I style this clipping. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and also please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. And now let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so the hair came through DHL. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging looks like. So this is how the hair looks like. It's very beautiful. So right here I'm just gonna go ahead and do my braiding pattern. So doing this hair was a little bit challenging because of my edges, but you guys can see I just had to make it work. So I decided to do very big cornrows for the braiding pattern. I just didn't have the time to do tiny cornrows, but if you want, you can do tiny cornrows. Or if you cannot cornrow, you can just put your hair in a bun, in a low bun, and you can get away with that as well. So this is the braiding pattern. I'm just gonna go ahead and start attaching the clipping to my hair. So altogether we have 10 clippings right here. So I'm gonna start with the longest ones. So guys, this hairstyle is a really easy and a quick hairstyle to do, and anyone can actually do it. So when I'm done with the clipping, I'm gonna go ahead and take down my leave out, and I am gonna go ahead and apply my heat protectant. Then I'm using this hot comb to comb out the hair, but with the hair in the middle, I'm gonna stretch it with a flat iron. So I've already applied my heat protectant. I'm gonna go ahead and straighten the hair. So you guys can see that this hair blends perfectly well with our natural hair. So this is how it looks. I absolutely love this hair. It's so beautiful. And it looks so natural. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a low bun. Normally I would go for a high bun, but you guys know my edges are not right, so I'm gonna put it in a low bun. You guys can see it's just so beautiful. I really love the style. So right here I'm gonna do some styles with this hair. So this is the first style I'll be doing. So you guys can see it's very nice. I'm gonna go ahead and do another style. Very lovely. I'm just gonna let you guys watch how I style this hair. There's so many things you can do with this hairstyle. So guys, this is going to be the last hairstyle. There are so many ways to style this clipping extension. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I really enjoyed making this video for you guys. And if you do, please don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel if you're new, and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be everything about my natural hair, my current hair routine, my current